Have you ever wondered what investment banking is? Well, you are in the right place. Investment banking, in essence, is a special segment of banking that aids large entities like corporations and governments in complex financial transactions. It's like a bridge that connects these entities with the financial market. From underwriting new debt and equity securities, facilitating mergers and acquisitions to sales and trading, and even guiding issuers regarding the issue and placement of stock. So in short, investment banking is all about helping corporations, governments, and other large entities manage and grow their money. Now you might ask, what does an investment bank do? Well, let's dive right in. One of the primary roles of an investment bank is underwriting. Picture this as a safety net. When a company wants to issue shares or bonds, an investment bank buys them all and then sells them to the public. This way, the company is assured of the funds it needs, while the bank earns a profit from the sale. Investment banks also play matchmaker in mergers and acquisitions, helping companies find perfect partners for business growth. They're like the Cupid of the corporate world. In the arena of sales and trading, banks act as intermediaries, buying and selling securities on behalf of clients. And finally, asset management. Imagine an investment bank as a personal trainer, but for your money. They take your investments and work them out to maximize your returns. Essentially, investment banks are the bridge between large enterprises and investors. They play a crucial role in the financial system. Why should you care about investment banking, you ask? Well, let's dive into why it's so crucial. Investment banking is a significant player in our economy. It's like the engine that keeps the economic train running smoothly. It helps businesses, big and small, to grow. It helps them raise capital, either by issuing stocks and bonds or by finding investors. And when businesses grow, they create more jobs and contribute to economic growth. But it's not just about businesses. Investment banks also play a crucial role in helping individuals and institutions grow their wealth. They do this by providing investment advice, managing investments, and even helping with retirement planning. So, investment banking is not just about those skyscrapers in Wall Street, it's about fueling the economy, creating jobs, and building wealth. So, next time when you hear about investment banking, remember it's not just about Wall Street, it's about growing businesses, creating jobs, and building wealth. And that's something we all should care about. So, there you have it, the world of investment banking, simplified. We've demystified the role of an investment bank, explained why it's crucial to the economy, and hopefully sparked your interest to delve deeper. This is just the tip of the iceberg, and there's so much more to learn. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Remember, understanding the financial world is the first step to making it work for you.